Hello loves and welcome back. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and today is going to be another Costco haul. I haven't been to Costco in about 3 weeks, so it's time for me to stock up again, as well as Hawaii's been talking about locking down again only because our coronavirus cases have spiked. With that in mind, being that we don't want to be out too frequent, I did buy a little of extra things so that way we have stock of things. And I found some really good new goodies. So let me show you guys what I got from Costco. Before I jump into things at Costco, we did stop at Ross because it was right there. And I grabbed this cute little planter for $3. I grabbed these cute scrubbies. I love when scrubbies are neutral as well as aesthetically pleasing. And I like the wood top and that it is a gray neutral bottom and that it's not a big handle. So I grabbed some of those. Grabbed a new bath mat, a new outdoor pillow. I was excited about these. I found new shorts from Nike. They looked really comfortable and cozy, like little lounge shorts. And I also found Adidas ones. So, okay, that's what I got at Ross. Now let me show you guys what I got from Costco. See, this is what I mean by I stocked up. Yeah, I was running low on stuff. All right, I have a few things on the counter, so I'm just gonna quickly share them, put them away, and then continue. So I ended up going to Costco with my mom, and every time we go, we get things that we can split, like trash bags. I don't need 300 trash bags. We don't go through them that quick, but it's nice to get them in bulk, and then we split them. So got trash bags. And then in this bag, we have some random cold items, but I just wanna get them off the counter, like I said. So I know I've mentioned this. This is the quinoa salad with cucumber and tomato. And I love to have this for lunches or an easy dinner side. I grabbed a bag of potatoes. You guys know I love my stuffed bell peppers from Costco, so I grabbed some of those. Not gonna lie, it'll probably be dinner tonight. I grabbed some red seedless grapes. I grabbed my coffee creamers. Yay, one bag done. Next, I grabbed these Jimmy Dean breakfast bowls for Sawyer. He loves just an easy breakfast, so this makes it easier for me as well. So I got those to keep in the freezer. And then I grabbed 2 bags of chicken. We go through chicken so fast, and especially since I'm planning on stocking up so I don't have to go to Costco so frequently, I decided to grab 2. I mention this every time. I love my Tortilla Land tortillas, and so I grabbed a package there. You can find those tortillas at Costco. It's so much cheaper, and it's the organic versions. And then I grabbed a rack of lamb. I love cooking lamb. It's something my dad always used to make. Grabbed some salsa. Remember in one of my last Costco hauls, I mentioned this bitchin sauce. It's the Chipotle almond dip. I know everyone's been talking about these. At Costco, they have the Chipotle flavor, and it's a big jar of it. I've already gone through like 1 or 2 of them, so I got one to have on hand. All right, this bag is going to be a lot of the cold items. Oh my gosh, okay. Whew. All right, I grabbed a few salad kits. Wow. Okay, I grabbed a lot of salad kits. I grabbed the Mediterranean Crunch chopped salad. I grabbed the sweet kale one. I haven't had this one, but I love like a sweet poppy seed dressing, so that'll be good. Asian cashew chopped salad. And then I grabbed the organic avocado chopped kit, and I like doing this with like burgers or like more of an American dinner, so that one's really nice. Then I grabbed some asparagus. One of the easiest meals I do is stir fry, so I got some more stir fry veggies. Then I grabbed some more of the Columbus reduced sodium Italian dry salami, and I love this because it splits into 2, so I can put 1 in the freezer and then 1 in the fridge. Then I grabbed Sawyer more pizza. These are just so easy to have on hand, and he eats probably 1 or 2 pizzas a week, easy lunches. You guys have seen this in almost all of my Costco hauls. I grabbed the turkey and spinach lasagna. We love this lasagna, so I grabbed 1 to cook this week and then 1 to put in the freezer. And then I added something new. I've never tried these. I always see them there, but I wanted something different for lunches. So I grabbed chicken flautas. Thought it'd be good to mix it up. And I've also never tried this. This is new as well. This is the Wild Alaska Marinated Salmon portions. I love salmon. Sawyer isn't a big fan, so I thought that'd be a good thing to have on hand for me for lunch to mix it up to get some extra protein. I love fish, I love salmon. So. And then one of our favorite things is the spinach mozzarella ravioli. And Yep, easy dinner right here. All right, now we have some fresh produce, and I got a pineapple. Smells so good. I split a pack of, bell peppers with my mom. Grab some more shredded cheese. I love this because you can put one in the freezer and then you have cheese for like months. I grabbed some more sweet Hawaiian rolls. Sawyer loves these and I love that they're like homemade. And then I grabbed some romaine. I split a package with my mom, some eggs, and some bananas. All right, we've made it to pretty much the snack bag. If you're ever in Hawaii and you go to Costco, you have to get the vanilla macadamia nut coffee by Royal Kona. It is so good, and I actually ship it to all my family because it's amazing. I grabbed some balsamic vinegar. Guys, I'm so excited for these snacks. In fact, I haven't even tried most of them, so these are all new. I grabbed Stacy's cheese petites, white cheddar and jalapeno. That sounds so good. And I grabbed the Simple Mills crunchy almond flour cookies. These I have had and I'm obsessed with. They're the Heavenly Hunks. They're so good. They're organic almond butter cookies, freaking amazing, and they're gluten-free. And then this is not a snack, but I grabbed the Columbus uncured turkey bacon. It's my favorite because it has no nitrates and it's just really yummy. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer. All right, I grabbed some more Fase. We go through that all the time. I actually use this as a substitute for sour cream because it's a lot better for you. It's much higher in protein. So try that. Your family will not even notice a difference, trust me. Then I grabbed some Better Than bouillon. I grabbed a roast beef base and a chicken base. I just figured that was good to have on hand. I grabbed some vanilla extract. 2 more snacks. Then I grabbed these R.W. Garcia organic sweet potato crackers. I love sweet potatoes, so I feel like that just sounded really yummy. And then these are Sawyer's favorite snacks. I call them adult Lunchables. They're little salami and cheese packs, like little snack packs. I bring them to the beach. Sawyer snacks with them during the day. And so he asked for a lot this time. So that way we had stock of them. So I grabbed 3 packs of them. Then I grabbed some taco seasoning, ranch seasoning. We normally buy the individual packets and I make a ranch sauce with a little bit of milk and this, and it's so much better for you. So when I saw this, I was like, ooh, that's perfect. Then the last thing in this bag is I grabbed some more organic marinara sauce by Kirkland. And I love this one because it's really low in sugar. Is there? Yes. There's only 6 grams of sugar and half a cup, which is really low. So when I saw that, I've been eating this for years, but ever since I saw that, it's been my go-to marinara sauce. All right, we only have a few things left, and I grabbed a big bag of the organic sugar. I normally get like a smaller bag of organic, almost like Sugar in the Raw from Target, but they had a huge bag there, so I just got that. And then I grabbed some almond flour from there. I didn't know that Costco had almond flour. I've been getting small bags from Target or Whole Foods. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, please. And then I grabbed some more just non-stick pans. I have my set that I got from Costco, but sometimes when I'm cooking, I need like the same size pan. And I had a set from there, well, from a year ago, like when we moved in. And it's just gotten scratched up and I don't feel safe cooking in them anymore. Like, you know when the bottom gets scratched? I just feel like that's not good for the pan or for us. So I just opted to grab a new set, and this was like $24 for a set of 3. So I grabbed that. I grabbed some more laundry detergent. I grabbed some baby wipes to have on hand. I just like having wipes around the house. And then I grabbed some paper towels. I just split a bag with my mom because those last forever because they're big rolls. And then the last thing I got is a pop-up little beach tent. This is $45 and I think it'll be so cool. Here, I'm trying to see if there's a picture. Can you see that? It's like a little beach tent, and a lot of the time Sawyer doesn't like to spend a lot of time at the beach. He only likes to go for an hour. But he said if we have like a little beach tent, I might stay here longer because I can stay in the shade. And I was like, okay. So when I saw this, I was like, this might be fun to try. So we'll see how we like it, if it works, if it's what we wanted, and we'll let you know. But that is it. That is the end of this Costco haul. I love going to Costco and I love sharing with you guys what I get because I feel like different stores have different things, or you get to see new items to maybe keep an eye out for. So it's just helpful and I love a good Costco find. So that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. Talk about fashion, beauty, home decor, and our life here in Hawaii, so be sure to follow along. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and comment down below if you guys have any good finds from Costco that maybe I should keep an eye out for. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!